Morning students. Good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about the next topic. If the firm in short run equilibrium, if the firm will be getting sometimes is supernormal profits, sometimes is normal profits, and sometimes will be having chance to getting of losses. These are all main reasons for fluctuations. To entry of the new firms, to exit into the new firms is the main reason for seeing of these type of disturbances in short run. So in last video we are already discussed the firm will be getting supernormal profits. When the firm will be getting supernormal profits is nothing but AR greater than AC or ATC. So here revenue is more than cost, then it is we can call as supernormal profits. Now we are going to the what about the second condition we are explaining here, that is normal profits. Normal profits. So if the firm will be getting normal profits is nothing but AR equal to AC. AR means revenue is equal to cost. These two are equal, then the firm will be getting normal profits only. In this situation, how to we can find in short run of the firm under perfect competition? For explaining of this one, for first we are always following conditions. That is already we know that MC equal to MR. MC curve should cut MR curve from below. Sometimes we are seeing third condition P greater than or equal to ABC. So for first equilibrium position we are finding based on these conditions. Then we are analyzing what about the profits or loss, or otherwise what about the equilibrium. Based on equilibrium only we are finding the what about the profits or losses. So for explaining of the normal profits in short run of the equilibrium of the firm, we are explaining through using of this diagram. X-axis represents output, Y-axis represents price of the commodity, SMC, SAC representing short-run average cost, short-run average cost and marginal cost. Next, this curve is parallel to Y-axis, that is revenue cost, means marginal revenue as well as average revenue, that is only we can call as price line, is also we can call as demand curve also. Then our conditions are we are applying here, that is MC curve cuts MR curve from below. This is the MC curve, cuts MR curve at point here. Then it is we can call as equilibrium. So this is we can call as equilibrium of the firm. Then finding of the equilibrium output we are find on the basis of equilibrium output. We are this equilibrium line will be touch the revenue curve and average cost curve, that is we can call as cost and revenue of the firm. That is already I explained in before video also. So this equilibrium line will be touch the average revenue and average cost at point E only. So this is the price of the commodity. Then for producing of the OQ level of output purpose, producer they are spending cost is OP level or EQ level of cost they are using. For producing of OQ level of output purpose they are spending this much. Through selling of this OQ level of output they are receiving revenue is also this is only OP level or EQ level. Here price of the commodity they are fixed at level of OP level. Then again we are finding through using of this formulas what about the total revenue, means total profit of the firm, profit equal to TR minus TC. Here total revenue is OP EQ level minus total cost is OP EQ level only. So here revenue is equal to total revenue is equal to total cost. There is no variation between these two. Even if we are analyzing average cost, revenue per unit, then AR minus AC, average cost per unit of output of the this one, OP level of revenue they are receiving R, EQ level of revenue they are receiving. Then how much they are spending cost, that is EQ level or OP level, EQ or OP level. So then here also 2 will be equal. So average revenue is equal to AC. Means here there is no change, there is no difference between the revenue cost or price or cost of production. These two will be equal. When the firm will be getting these two are equal, then the firm will be getting only normal profits only. Normal profits are useful for surviving of the firm under industry, for surviving of the firm, for continuing of their production purpose. If they are getting normal profits, it will be useful. If they are not going to stop their production, if they are not increase the production, because here they are getting only normal profits. If they are getting abnormal profits, it will be attract the new firms. If the losses will be getting, then existed firms will be getting discouragement and they are exit into the industry. But here there is no disturbances we are seeing when the firms will be getting normal profits under perfect competition in short term. So these normal profits is also we can called as zero economic profits. Normal profits is also called zero economic profits. Zero economic profits. Where the firm will be reached the equilibrium position, this position we can call as break even point. So normal profits is also we can call as BEP. BEP means break even point. Then what about the meaning of break even point? Break even point means no loss, no profit is we can call as break even point. So under perfect competition firm, they are getting normal, will be having chance to getting of normal profits in short term. So based on these conditions, we are shown what about the equilibrium output and how much revenue will be getting by the producer, how much cost they are spending. Here cost and revenue, these two are equal. That's why firm will be getting only normal profits. These normal profits is also called zero economic profits. And where these normal profits is we can call as break even point is meaning is no loss, no profit. Very important for CA foundation. They are asking many bits based on the diagrams only. So based on questions only we can analyze the diagram, we can draw the diagram. Then we are finding what about the answer also. So this is what about the normal profits in short term. So students, if you are like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends also. Thank you.